Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and for today's video, I'm finally doing a review on the Sun Glow by Fresh in collaboration with Ate May Layug and Ray Hermar. So let's get started. Let's start first with the creme tinted sunscreen. So this is how the box looks like. I know nakita nyo na yung box, nabasa nyo na din yung mga nasa likod kasi medyo matagal na yung launch na to. Anyway, I got the shade medium. That's why it's color purple right here. So at the back, makikita mo yung claims ng product, yung ingredients, how to use it, and the expiration date is on the label daw ng mismong product. So let's now open it up. So this is how the actual product looks like. It's still the same, as in same na same lang sa box niya. Ayan. And then, whatever is in the box, yung mga nakasulat dito, it's all written in here, which is really nice kasi we don't really keep the box. So, basically, yung mga nandito, kailangan mo din na nasa packaging lang. It comes in this pump, which is really nice since makokontrol mo kung gaano kadaming product yung gagamitin mo every time you use it. And this is the expiration date. Nandito siya sa mismong tube. The product expiration is 13/02/2023. So, February 13, 2023. Now, let's check the claims of the product. I'm just gonna read it sa back ng product. Sun Glow Creme Tinted Sunscreen provides an all-day coverage that is comfortable to wear, giving you a radiant, glowing, and natural-looking skin. This sunscreen contains SPF 50 PA++++ to ensure ultimate protection against UVA and UVB rays. It comes in an easy pump and mess-free tube, making it a perfect on-the-go sunscreen. And also, here are the key ingredients. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina, which is Centella Asiatica, sunflower oil, and niacinamide. So, ilalagay ko sa screen kung para sa tong tatlong ingredients na inad nila dito. So, now let's check out the formula. So, lagay ko muna ng isang pump sa back of my hand. So, ayan siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Hindi siya runny, medyo creamy talaga siya, which is what it is. It's a creme tinted sunscreen, and feeling ko okay naman yung shade niya sa akin, although parang medyo darker ng onte. But let's see sa isang side ng face ko muna yung isang pump. By the way guys, hindi ako naglagay ng primer because yung primer ko is for oily skin siya, like nagmamatch siya ng face, and gusto ko makita yung actual finish ng product nito without my primer. This is how it looks like on the right side of my face. As you can see, sobrang nagkaroon ng difference. May kita mo na naglighten yung face ko, yung under eyes ko, medyo na-lighten niya. And also, nakikita niyo yung redness ko here. And also yung redness ng pimples ko, nawala siya. Ayan o. Ayan guys. Nabawasan niya yung appearance ng pimple marks and stuff like that. Pero hyperpigmentation ko, kitang-kita pa din kasi grabe yung hyperpigmentation ko dyan. And ayan, maganda yung coverage niya considering na it's only one layer, and feeling ko pasok naman yung shade, like perfect shade siya for me. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize. So now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face with another pump of the tinted sunscreen. By the way guys, sorry if medyo late akong naggawa ng review. I know may mga iba sa inyo na nag-aantay ng review, may mga nire-receive ako ng messages before, lalo na nung mga March pa, about like doing a review on this, and I was really planning to do a review talaga. And actually, nung ilo-launch to, I was invited by Ate May Layug, so nag-message siya sa akin. Also, yung Fresh Philippines, kaso na-cancel yung launching nila because of the coronavirus nga. Tapos sabi nila, i-send na lang nila yung package sa house ko. Kaso, hindi pa siya dumadating, and I emailed them about it, and sabi nila nasa warehouse nga and hindi nila mapadala due to the lockdown. So, I decided to buy na lang ngayon kasi inaantay ko yon for, let's say, since March. Kasi yun nga, hindi siya dumadating. So, mga last week ko lang sila in-email. Kasi I was really planning to buy this already. Kaya, ayun, I decided to buy na lang kasi hindi pa daw nila masasend since lockdown naman. But once it arrives, I'll probably do a giveaway and then mag-review ako ng sun mist and also the powder. So this is how it looks like with a dense brush. I use this always. This is the Morphe Y6 ata. I'm not sure na kasi nabura na siya. Anyway, sobrang ganda ng coverage, guys. Nabawasan niya talaga yung appearance ng pimples and pimple marks ko. Just be doing the rest of my makeup and I'll tell you my thoughts once I'm done. For eyeshadow, I'll be using this Peach Sea Falling In eyeshadow palette. So this is the 01 Falling In Brown. So may dalawang other palettes pa. I'll just put it right here. This is how it looks like. May dalawa siyang matte and then may dalawa siyang shimmer na eyeshadow. And this is really perfect, as in no fail makeup looks pag ito yung ginagamit ko. Since, ayan nga, magaganda yung colors niya and nag-blend well sila together. So, I'll be using this brown shade na matte first. And then, I'll just be putting it all over my lid. Ayan guys, super pigmented niya. It's not powdery or chalky. By the way guys, this is made in Korea pala. And it's available on my Caris shop. I have a promo on Caris right now. It's gonna be from May 11 to May 18 and it's gonna be only 730 pesos. From 1,000 pesos, magiging 730 na siya. And then the benefit number 1 is you can get an Inga free fiber tattoo mascara and then the other one naman is free shipping. So make sure nakuhanin nyo na siya ngayon because mas mura na talaga siya, as in guys. Parang 270 pesos yung masisave nyo. Tapos may free shipping pa. So, ayun. It's really nice. And perfect siya for everyday since the size is really nice. And walang tapon sa eyeshadow na to kasi lahat sila maganda. And also, maganda din siya for travel since you can just put it in your bag and then use it every time you need to put on eyeshadow. The lightest shade and then mag-highlight lang ako ng brow bone. Ayan. And then I'll just be putting it on my inner corners. Lower lash line ko. Pero I'll just be using this brown again. And then, sa lower lash line. I'm done with my face makeup. Let's move on to the next product. This is the Sun Glow Tinted Lip Screen. And I got the shade Sangria kasi I was debating whether to get Sunkissed or Sangria. Pero ito yung nasa middle shade. That's why I got it kasi ayoko ng too pinkish. Ayoko din ng too dark. So, I just opted for this one. So, this is how it looks like. It's 10 grams and the packaging is really pretty. Ayan, color purple yung cap niya. And now, I'm gonna swatch it at the back of my hand. So, this is how it looks like. Ayan, ang ganda ng color niya. Let's talk about the claims of the product. It adds shine with a hint of color to your lips. It has SPF 50 PA++++. Formulated with a blend of nourishing oils, vitamins, and antioxidants. This sheer, buildable lip screen keeps your lips soft, supple, and protected from sun damage. So, may tatlong key ingredients din sila. Lagay ko na lang kung para saan yung mga ingredients na yun here. So, let's try it. This has scent, pero hindi super amoy na amoy. Parang strawberry ata. Medyo sweet yung scent niya, so take note of that. Pero hindi naman siya super overpowering na nakakaanoy. Ito pala guys yung applicator niya. Yung parang mga lip balm nung bata tayong sa mga Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body. Yun yung naalala ko sa packaging niya. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now that it's already on my face, let's talk about the performance of the product. Let's start first with the Creme Tinted Sunscreen. Let's talk about the packaging first. It's very pretty, it's very youthful, it's colorful, very summery yung vibes. Talk about the pump. Maganda yung pump niya, guys. Madali mong makokontrol kung gaano kadaming product yung kailangan mo or gaano kaonting product yung gagamitin mo. So, hindi masasayang. It's also plastic, so hindi siya madaling mabasag or masira. And also, even though it has a pump, it still has a cover, which is really nice. It's perfect to bring with you every day sa makeup kit mo or when you're traveling. It is really nice. I love the packaging and I love that it's 50 ml, guys. Sobrang laki na ito. Let's compare it to my BLK. 30 ml lang tong BLK and itong tinted sunscreen is 50 ml. This retails for 429 pesos and for me, worth it na siya because you get a lot. It's 50 ml and hindi to agad mauubos kasi ang kapal din ng coverage niya or maganda din yung coverage niya. And comparing it with the BLK, this BLK Cosmetics Skin Tint Sun Shield is 499 pesos. So, mas mahal pa siya and mas onti siya comparing it to the tinted sunscreen ng Sunglow. For the coverage, it gives up to a medium coverage. And for me, ganito na yung medium coverage. Sa akin, it's really nice. It's buildable. And if ever naman na hindi nyo kailangan ng medium coverage or full coverage, then you can just definitely share this out. I use 2 pumps ng product, pero you can just use 1. You can even use your sponge or fingers, depende sa preference nyo. Pero for me, I really like using brush para hindi masayang yung product. But then, I use a sponge to blend it out after as well. But for me, I really love it. It blends well. And I also love the finish. Yung finish niya, hindi siya flat matte. Hindi siya super drying. Hindi din siya super dewy na magiging oily na yung skin ko. Well, I actually have oily skin. And considering na hindi ako nag-primer ngayon, ang ganda ng pag-control niya ng oil. Although, I still set it with powder because I have oily skin nga. So, I really need to put on powder. Kahit na matte foundation yan or nag-primer na ako, kailangan pa rin magpa-powder ako. About the skincare benefits that this gives, actually, nung ginagamit ko to, medyo naalala ko yung It Cosmetics na CC cream. Pero, yun kasi super mahal na. I think $30 ko siya nabili. And, medyo similar sila nito. May coverage din yon and then it has skincare benefits kasi nga CC cream siya and then may SPF din siya. Kasi yun nga, it's super expensive and also, it's not readily available since I got that from Sephora sa States or Ulta ata, I don't remember. But this one, it's very affordable and it's readily available. And also, yun kasi, hindi siya maganda for our weather here in the Philippines kasi very humid dito. And pag yun, super nagkikiki yung face ko. But this one, it's made for our weather or the humidity here in the Philippines. I love that their line, the Sunglow line, doesn't just care about the makeup. They also is caring for our skin. So as what I've said earlier, mayroong mga key ingredients yung bawat product na tinry natin. And, ayun, nakita nyo naman sa screen kung para saan yun. And, maganda yon for a product since you really use makeup every day and ang tagal nila sa face nyo. So, it's not just a makeup, it's not just maganda siyang base, but it's also a skincare for you. Talk about the tinted lip screen. And, for the packaging, it is really cute. Ang ganda ng color combination niya as well. It's really pretty. It comes in a squeezy tube. Pero for me, the applicator, I would prefer na yung applicator would be something like merong doe foot applicator since that is easier to put on your lips. This retails for 249 pesos and for me, it's kind of a bit expensive for a tinted lip balm kasi sanay tayo sa mga lip tint, lip balms or tinted lip balms na mga below 200 pesos lang, may mga below 200, may mga below 100 pa nga. But take note that this has SPF 50. Parang may lip balm ka lang na medyo malagkit siya pero hindi siya annoying. Ayan, ganyan siya. Hindi siya super lagkit, hindi din siya super tacky. Don't expect it to be long wearing or waterproof. Hindi siya ganon or transfer proof. It's not. You definitely need to touch up every now and then, especially if you're eating or drinking. And if you're going to ask me if it is worth it, yes guys, these are definitely worth it. But if you're gonna ask me kung alin dito yung mas worth it, I would say go for the tinted sunscreen. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you will be notified every time that I post. And comment down your next video suggestions. And God bless and stay healthy.